Whether you're backpacking across Europe, camping in Big Sur, or hiking Australia's Great Ocean Walk, a good headlamp is a must in everybody's backpack. There are many products available to choose from, best headlamps for hiking, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best headlamps for hiking from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vicello V800 Headlamp. As the Vicello V800's 168 lumens radiate up to 360 feet, you'll be confident you chose the best headlamp for backpacking, trekking, and all of your other outdoor activities. It's designed to be the ideal multitasking headlamp, so whether you're tackling the world's best hikes or just hanging out in your camping hammock, reading a great travel book, you'll have all the light you need. The plastic body means it's lightweight, sturdy, and won't heat up after it's been on for a long period of time, and the rubber padding means you won't have to worry about discomfort. Even with all of its positives, it's still one of the best cheap headlamp options on the market. If you're looking for a quality headlamp on a budget, go with the Vicello V800. Number 2. Luminolite Clear LED Headlamp. When searching for the best lightweight headlamp, don't overlook the Luminolite Clear LED Headlamp. Including the batteries, it only weighs 2.6 ounces, so even if you don't have a trip planned, you can always keep it in your favorite carry-on bag, in anticipation of a spontaneous escape from the city into the mountains. Not only will the 160 lumens light up the night, but you can angle the beam up and down up to 45 degrees toward whatever you need to see. Its IPX6 waterproof rating and 5 light settings are just a couple of the other features that keep it in the running as the best hiking headlamp. The Luminolite Clear LED Headlamp has an adjustable strap that fits both adults and children, so you can grab one for each member of the family. Number 3. PetsNow Plus Headlamp. When you check out headlamp reviews, you'll see that the PetsNow Plus highlights the premium headlamps on the market. While it does cost more than your average headlamp, the Now Plus has everything you could want in a headlamp. You can't argue against it being the most powerful headlamp on the market, as it boasts a whopping 750 lumens. Along with its power being an advantage, so is convenience. Thanks to Bluetooth technology, you can download an app that allows you to monitor its battery and performance from your phone or tablet. If you'd rather recharge your batteries instead of buying new ones, there's more than one reason why the Now Plus is the best rechargeable headlamp. The chief reason is that its reactive lighting feature responds and automatically adjusts to whatever you're looking at. Not only is it super convenient for you, but it also helps to optimize the battery. If you're looking for a headlight with all the bells and whistles, this will be the best headlamp for camping, hiking, running, and the rest of your favorite outdoor adventures. Number 4. Kose HL7 Focusing Headlamp. Kose has created this headlamp to follow you for years down the road. The LED is said to be virtually indestructible, while the headlamp is both weather and impact resistant. In addition, it's also backed by a lifetime warranty. The HL7 headlamp has 285 lumens that have a range of up to 390 feet. With a runtime of up to 70 hours, it has more than enough power to get you through your favorite hikes. Instead of having to fumble with buttons, a twist of the light changes it from spot to flood beam, and a lever on the back of the headlamp allows you to control the output of light. Never count the HL7 out when you're looking for the best headlamp for hiking. Number 5. Shining Buddy LED Headlamp. With each headlamp individually tested, you can be sure you'll get quality headlamps from Shining Buddy. They've addressed the main problems of most headlamps: too heavy, uncomfortable, and weak lighting, and provided a lightweight headlamp that isn't only ideal for adults, but it's also among the best headlamps for kids. It's equipped with 4 light settings, and the bulb is able to last up to 100,000 hours. The Shining Buddy LED headlamp is shock-resistant, weatherproof, and only weighs 2.6 ounces. Its lamp boasts 110 lumens, and can be angled up to 45 degrees. All of these features come at an incredible price, which is why it's been known as the best value headlamp on the market. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.